Pour the cabbage water indicator into a measuring cup. Maggie Jean, you gotta go, sweetie. Okay, we have, we're done with those. We still have the antacid, and now we have baking soda. We have our spoons, all kinds of good stuff. So this is our cabbage water that we used in experiment 13.2. Now we're on to 13.1 for general science. This is the effect of sodium bicarbonate on stomach acid. Sodium bicarbonate is actually baking soda.
Stomach acid?
No, the last one was stomach acid. Oh, this one's stomach acid too. Whatever. It's the same thing. It's just with different chemicals. That's good enough, Zeke.
Oh, no.
You have one piece in your spoon. Okay, so what we need is 1 teaspoon of toilet bowl cleaner in the cup.
All right, just a sec.
No. 1 teaspoon of
wait.
toilet bowl. Yeah. Okay. Now you're going to add the cabbage water. Let me read the book and say how much we have to add, because I definitely didn't plan ahead for having to know that. Oh, it says fill the cup. So I would, again, halfway.
Fill the cup halfway.
Woohoo! It's so pretty. These are like Easter experiments. We should totally do these at Easter time. They're those nice pastel, bright pastel colors.
Except they intoxicate the eggs. Now what?
Okay, so here we go.
Yeah, it's different.
Okay, we have our toilet bowl cleaner, which is a high acid. We have the cabbage water indicator, which is bright pink, indicating that we have an acidic color. Okay. We are going to move on to step number H, which is scoop some baking soda out of the box and slowly add it to the mixture in the glass and note what happens.
Shall I get a spoon?
You know what? Hold on. Before we do it, let's have this be our hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen when we put baking soda in there? What do you think is going to happen?
I think it's going to turn purple.
All right. Zeke says it's going to change color. It's going to be purple. So for you, for your hypothesis, pause the video, write down your hypothesis. I don't care if it's right or wrong. I just wanted to show that you thought about this and have an idea of what may or may not happen. All right, Zeke, slowly add, so you don't have to use a spoon. Just gently tap it on in there. This is going to be like the world's longest, most boring experiment ever. Is it changing color? It is. It's changing color. It's getting purple.
It's getting like dark blue.
Whoa, it's like green. Keep going. Add more. We'll see what happens.
Oops. This is it.
That's great. Wow, it's like almost peacock blue.
Let's add some vinegar.
No, we're not adding vinegar. Oh. I'm a little concerned because the experiment says it's supposed to bubble. Do you see any bubbles?
Yeah, there's a few, like 4.
Not really.
Yeah.
Where's that plastic spoon we used from the last experiment?
Here.
Stir it up. See what happens. Okay. But we definitely got some bluish color in there, and that's what we needed. So what happened in the experiment? When we added the baking soda to the mixture, you should have seen a lot of bubbles. We did not. I don't know why.
I do. Hey, does that count as bubbles? The foam?
Yes. For our purposes, the foam counts as bubbles.
It's bubbly.
It says if you add it too quickly, the bubbles will overflow. Like it's like adding baking soda to vinegar.
Wait, really?
That's what it says.
Here, I have an idea. I'm going to add more of this.
No,
Add some. Oh.
no. Okay, when sodium bicarbonate, the baking soda, reacts with an acid, the bright pink in our indicator, it neutralizes the acid. The color of the mixture in the glass changed because, just as the case in the previous experiment, the cabbage water acted as an indicator. Before the acid was neutralized, the indicator was red or pink. After the acid was neutralized, the indicator was purple or blue. One of the products from the neutralization is carbon dioxide. That's where the bubbles come from.
Not very many of them.
So I guess I'm a little disappointed. I wanted bigger bubbles, but I think you're right.
I can make bigger bubbles.
That foam Dude, did you just spill it on my kitchen counter again? Yes, Mom. And I'm planning to clean your entire kitchen, including the counter. Why, thank you, Zeke. You're such a good kid. Yeah, the adding more toilet bowl cleaner was not part of the experiment. It didn't even turn, Zeke. What are you doing?
That.
Oh, you're just trying to make bubbles?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my goodness, you did it.
See, I told you. It's foamishly, I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
I
call
did.
that foamy. Yeah, that's foamy.
Yeah, bubbles.
That's awesome.
Told you.
We just
Yeah.
we followed the directions too well. It said edit slowly. Maggie Jean, you sound like you're dying. Please stop. All right, cool. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. This is why it's important. I'm just going to read it to you right out of the book. You ready? You ready? Right here. The same thing happens in your small intestine when sodium bicarbonate from your pancreas mixes with the chyme coming from your stomach. That has hydrochloric acid in it, just like the toilet bowl cleaner from your stomach. The sodium bicarbonate from the pancreas mixes with the chyme, and the reaction occurs which neutralizes the acid and produces carbon dioxide gas. Now, Zeke, let me ask you. Carbon dioxide gas in your digestive system creates
Methane.
methane.
Farts.
That's a very polite way to say it, yes. Or
Okay,
burping.
any more specific?
The carbon dioxide can go out one end or up the other. So one way or another, your body doesn't actually need those.
Actually, I think burps are like you just got air in your
Maybe that's from
stomach.
experiment 1, where the buildup is in your stomach, and this is we're talking about the small intestine, right?
No, all right. I think it's just if you have a little air, if you have a few air bubbles in whatever you're eating, like bread, you're gonna have some burps in bread.
Yeah, I think you're wrong. But good job. But seriously, good job making a guess. All right, cool. That concludes
I
experiment
can make a burp. You want to hear it?
No, that concludes experiment 13.3
Oh, it's
for general science. And that concludes Zeke's participation.